Hey folks, it's Norm Bergen here, taking you on an insider's tour of Jasper National Park. Today we're going to take you around and show you some of the murals that were put onto our buildings here just of late.
In 2022, Jasper Local started the UpLift Mural Festival, inviting artists from around the world to beautify the buildings of Jasper.
The first one here is a mountain lion. This is on the back of the building behind Murals restaurant. It's in the back alley, and is it ever beautiful?
Known professionally as bubblegum, Paz creates an ornamental style that fuses nature and intricate filigree.
You know, when we talk about mountain lions, folks, we had one here in the park, was large. It was last winter, and of course, I'm going out to Bridge 5 to take a bunch of people out there for a walk. There were mountain lion footprints on the snow, and they were massive, folks. They wouldn't quite be covered with one hand. I seen that same guy about, well, probably a couple of weeks later up in Medicine Lake. You know, the center of the road was touching his nose and his tail was off on the side. He was a big boy. So you see why we have pictures here in Jasper of mountain lions.
Our second mural was painted by Keenan Sillence, who grew up in Jasper and previously painted a mural inside the Jasper Activity Center. The new mural is on the back alley wall of Timberwolf Rocky Mountain Emporium between Patricia Street and Connaught Drive. The theme of the mural depicts the relationship between humans and nature and how there can be a battle between both. This mural is the only one from the 2022 festival that goes across multiple surfaces instead of a single flat wall, which was a challenge for the artist. So he created a wallpaper effect with crisp, clean lines and bright colors. The third mural is called Collide and was painted by Fluke at 607 Patricia Street on the Andromeda Coffee Building. It depicts the majesty of Jasper's wilderness and the resilient spirit of its people. The artwork features a barreling train, a diving eagle clutching a rainbow trout, the dancing northern lights, a blazing sun, and two battling rams. Mackenzie Brown is a First Nations Cree artist from the Sturgeon Lake Cree Nation. Her butterfly mural is painted on the Telus wall at 203 Miette Avenue. The mural is a combination of a butterfly and a moth that symbolizes balance.
In the Cree First Nations here in Canada, they say that the moth gave up its colors to create the rainbow. Well, you know very well that the rainbow is a sign of hope. And when you see the rainbows after some wet weather, or even if you go to the Athabasca Falls on a nice sunny day, that rainbow is so clear and so beautiful. Folks, the butterfly. The colors are, of course, pink, representing the flowers. That beautiful blue is the color of our water, our lakes, our streams. And of course, the brilliant yellow, that's the sunlight. This beautiful, beautiful butterfly can fly into the darkness, and when it hits daylight, it's bright, brilliant, and beautiful.
Brown invited local children to add insects to the art and hidden messages in the mural. She previously painted the We Are Still Here mural at the Jasper Yellowhead Museum and Archives. Tyler Tolles created a mural called Melt at the top of the Sun House Cafe stairs at 610 Patricia Street. The mural depicts a gallery scene with framed paintings of the Angel Glacier at Mount Edith Cavell and the Athabasca Glacier behind a massive melting ice cube. Unfortunately, this mural was damaged during the 2024 Jasper wildfire and won't be available to the public again for a few years. But Tyler was invited back in the summer of 2025 to take on 2 new projects in town. 2023 brought 3 new murals to Jasper, inspired by a strong woman. The first is a portrait of a local legend, Della. It was painted by Kwong from Calgary, who wanted to depict something unique to Jasper. At 100 years old, Della is the resident of a little white house on Patricia Street in the middle of the business district. She lived in that house for more than 70 years, raised 6 children there, and refused to sell to developers. When her mural was unveiled, she arrived at the party in the back of a rickshaw, the closest you can get to a horse-drawn carriage in this town. Vio Silva from Argentina created a mural of a phoenix on the wall near the back entrance of Whistler's Inn. The theme is rebirth from the 2024 wildfire. She felt that it is important to remember things that are sad in order to build better things for the future. The last 2023 mural is painted by Kayla Bellarose on the wall of the old fire hall.
The Cree word for grandmother is Kokum. This beautiful piece is a depiction of grandmothers. And this wonderful, beautiful lady is the grandmother, or a depiction of the grandmother of the artists. Now keep in mind that the color purple in the Cree First Nations culture is a power color for none other than grandmothers. One thing that makes this stand out so beautifully are the flowers that are painted here. These flowers are the general flowers that you will find in Treaty 8 District of the First Nations Agreement with the federal government. But, folks, you'll also find them spread out through the Rocky Mountains here around the town of Jasper.
4 murals were completed during the first session of the festival. This one is just outside the Jasper Pizza Place patio. It was brush painted by indigenous artist Kalum Teke and is called Sacred Fire. A member of the Blood tribe in the Blackfoot Confederacy, Dan depicts the different stages of an eagle's life from youth to experience. Jasper is famous for its eagles at Medicine Lake. The eagle is a sacred animal, communicating with the Creator as it flies in ever higher circles. For the artist, the eagle represents healing, strength, and leadership, and the chief represents the sacred fire that must keep the light burning for his people. Jerry Ruck, known professionally as Birdo, likes to paint geometric animals. The multidisciplinary artist from Toronto created a strong bird motif in his mural. It wraps around multiple sides of the dental office building at 622 Connaught Drive. 5 murals were painted in 2024. The first is a hidden gem called The Breakaway of Christopher Hole. It is tucked away in the alley behind the Astoria Hotel. Jasper is home to 3 wolf packs, and this mural depicts a howling wolf. The artist wants to express the idea that breaking away from the pack is sometimes necessary for personal growth. Thader created a mural of an elk on the wall of the Jasper Downtown Hostel at 402 Patricia Street. The inspiration came from a wildlife encounter during a previous visit to Jasper National Park. Jasper is home to almost 400 elk, and they often shelter in town in the evenings.
This beautiful depiction of our elk here in the park, and of course some of the predator animals probably chasing it, but this beautiful depiction, folks, is concerning elk. Now there's a couple of times of the year that you have to be a little bit cautious even with them. So our females that have given birth in the springtime, they get very protective. All mothers should be very protective of their little ones, and the elk is no exception. And in the fall time, folks, from about mid-September till mid-October, that is the mating season or the rut season. Well, at that time, those males like this guy here, they're dangerous. Gosh, we've seen them attack cars. We've seen them flatten tires. Oh yes, can they do it? They sure can. They are very powerful animals. We normally get somewhere in the vicinity of about 150 elk that come into the town site of Jasper at nighttime. You see, they have learned that there is safety when they're around humans, so those predator animals do not come after them here into the town limits of Jasper.
The fourth mural of 2022 is by Montreal artist 5'8" on the Bear's Paw Bakery back alley wall. 5'8" is inspired by visual technology and is repurposing the alley wall of the Bear's Paw Bakery with a stunning use of colors and distorted motion inspired by his experience as an apprentice neon light bender and his time working in a commercial neon light shop. The second mural for 2023 is at the outside wall of the tennis court behind the Jasper Activity Center. It is by Ola Volo, originally from Kazakhstan. Ola created an image of a woman in a symbolic headdress, reminiscent of the sunbeams that shine above her. Can you imagine a game of tennis under her watchful eye? To commemorate the first anniversary of the Jasper Fire, Belgian artist Van He painted the things that grow on the east side of the Jasper Activity Center. The mural is sponsored by the Canadian Red Cross and features a Douglas fir tree with its roots stretching across a valley as if rerooting the land. Fireweed, one of the first plants to grow after the fire, appear to grow from the roots of the tree. Then he wanted to encourage resilience in the Jasper community, where people have shown strength but still have much to rebuild. The massive tree and the fireweed are symbols of renewal and hope. Tyler Toes, whose mural Melt was damaged in the fire, returned and worked on two projects. The first is underneath the train bridge at the east entrance to Jasper. The mural is intended to show people some love. Toes relied on perspective, as motorists will only be able to see the mural at an angle. Tyler's second 2025 project was in collaboration with Japanese-born artist Hiroyasu Suri.
This mural, folks, is such a perfect depiction of an event that happened way back in 1925. You see, on the 21st of July, 1925, there was a climbing group here from Japan. And they made the very first ascent of the mountain known as Mount Alberta. Well, they went up there and they left an ice axe in a cairn on the top of that mountain. Rumor went around that the emperor had sent a very special pure silver ice axe, and it was up there in the cairn. It was many years later when a climbing group from the United States came in here and they tried to do a recovery of that pickaxe. Well, I shouldn't say pickaxe, but it is kind of. It's an ice axe. And today, folks, that ice axe is here in the museum. What a wonderful piece of history. In 2025, another climbing group from Japan came here as a centennial project, and they climbed Mount Alberta as well. There's a lot of work that goes into these murals. There's a lot of cost and there's a lot of people behind that. We're so grateful for each and every one of them. Folks, come and take a look at them here in Jasper. But remember always, we want you to stay safe, be well, and remember, I'll see you in the mountains.